Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Wednesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. It's great, Winston, it's great to be back in our office, in our studio. I think we had a great week at VDOC Towers, but it's always good to be home back by this nice, warm, cozy fire.
Yeah, they've stoked the flames for us on our return.
Stoked the flames. Always good to have a nice fire right during the Christmas week. I know a lot of people are already on holiday. Some are already gone. We were taking a lot of bottles of wine to some clients and noticed that many of the offices were a little bit quiet already. So I think people are gone for the week and for whatever reason, either holidays or just taking the week off. But anyway, nice to see there's a little bit of snow on the ground and having it look more and more like Christmas these days. It looks like the shopping centers are doing extremely well. We came by them last night, very busy. Well, did you buy something at the
Yeah, I got a few things yesterday.
All right, okay. Yeah, it's time to last couple of days to buy things. Good, the shops are still open. I mean, if you're in Holland, all the retail's a little bit closed at the moment, I think, with lockdown. So good to see Warsaw, Poland still full blast. Having fun and celebrating Christmas. We did big whiskey tasting last night, whiskey, rum, and cognac tasting for the CEE Retail Awards, which is coming out January 27th. We picked some great whiskeys, very good cognac, and even we're going to add a rum to this year's whiskey lounge. So a little bit sweet. I don't know. They were saying, oh, this will be great for the women, but for me it was great too, so I don't know. Anyway, so when you're coming to our retail awards, drop by the Whiskey Cognac Lounge, even for a rum. So that's up, and we did big tasting last night. I'll post all that information a bit later. A lot of fun things. We got a lot going on for the retail awards. More and more retailers signing up. Actually, even another opportunity for retailers. One of the bigger agencies and developers for shopping centers in Ukraine has signed up. So they're going to be here looking for retailers and, lots of opportunities out there. So a lot going on that side. For the real estate guide for MIPIM, also big. It looks like MIPIM's getting a lot of people signed up. So if you're interested, if you're coming to MIPIM, or you want to put something out for people at MIPIM in March, let us know. We've got working on the magazine for that. And also the SEE Awards. Of course, everything's signed up for the Radisson Blue Hotel in Bucharest. That's March 31st, another big event. We do have limited seating, though, as well, as you can imagine. So if you haven't signed up yet or took a table for the SEE Awards, just drop me a quick message so we know that you want one, and we'll at least reserve it before the end of the year. Having said that, we'll go to a little bit of 20-second break to cover the retail awards, and then back with Winston Norman and the news. Winston, you got some interesting things to tell us?
Yeah.
All right, excellent. So we'll be right back and see you in 20 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards. With over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail, and they're ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal-making retailer presentations and the CEE Retail Forum. Then in the evening, our big retail awards gala, which starts at 7 and finishes late into the evening. Welcome back, Winston. Let's do the news for Wednesday morning, the Wednesday before Christmas.
Thanks, Craig. And we'll start today with a new report from Savills, where they say that Poland's property market is adjusting to the new reality and is regaining momentum. Mm-hmm. So this is some good news, I guess. And the key trends expected for next year include rental growth, increasing ESG awareness, and a focus on innovation. And according to Thomas Buras, he's the CEO of Savills Poland, he says, although the real estate market has undoubtedly bounced back in 2021, it has remained mired in uncertainty. In addition to concerns about the course of the pandemic, there were also geopolitical and economic risks. This did not, however, prevent tenants and investors from gradually resuming activity.
So good news for next year.
Yep, and some of the the expectations for 2022, according to Savills, is tenants will also be affected by exchange rate differences as euro-denominated rents remain a standard.
Yeah, they're going to be paying more in zlotys, yeah?
We're all going to be paying more,
Yes,
Craig.
exactly.
And also, in addition, they say that 2022 is likely to be the first year for many to witness warehouse and office rental rates going up.
Okay, warehouse and office.
Yeah, so more costs for everyone.
Well, my flat went up in rent.
Yeah,
He doesn't charge me in euros, but he just raised the retails.
Everything's going up.
Yeah.
So the inflation concerns are a bit of an issue at the moment. But also they go on to say that there is potential for investment market to see more buying in 2022, and they also point to industrial assets, which we've seen a lot of lately. They reckon there'll be some spectacular office deals, investment deals next year in Warsaw.
Spectacular. Okay.
Well, that's some very big projects come online this year, so I would imagine a few of those will change hands next year.
Yeah.
And they're also gone that the private rental sector is also on the up. So we're going to see an increase there. And finally, the ESG strategies are going to play a big role in what we see next year as well.
Right. Well, even at retail awards, we're covering ESG, so it should be very interesting. Yep.
Staying in Poland, and the Norblin factory now, it recently opened, obviously, and the office space there is fully leased. Allegro has decided to expand its existing space there. It's taken an additional 7,800 square meters.
Wow.
So now it has a total of 24,000 square meters. And according to Kinga Nowakowska, she's the Capital Park Group COO, she says the deal proves that it was the right direction to develop yet another project with an urban edge. Office spaces at the Norblin factory have tailored to the needs of the modern labour market, and the entire complex is a vibrant place of high-end entertainment and culture filled with a colourful history of the former factory.
Well, they've definitely increased the lifestyle kind of factor in Warsaw. Yeah, it is a great place to go. Went to see a movie there, actually.
Yeah, I mean, it's got some, it's a 65,000 square metre development. I know you've been there, and it's one of the modern trends now with, renovations of these old, industrial sites, brownfield sites, and Warsaw, as you know. And shooting off to Romania.
Oh,
now.
Romania.
I know you were talking about Romania,
Yeah,
Cushman and Wakefield Economics have reported a very good year. Their property management portfolio has increased by 28%, and that is covering all major sectors: logistics, retail, office. Sure. And they've got 500,000 square meters of properties under their asset management now.
No, big.
And according to Mihaela Petrescu from Cushman and Wakefield Economics, she says, today we manage the most diverse portfolio of real estate assets covering all three commercial segments. More than ever, property owners need a reliable partner to support them in the cost optimization process and to help them find the best solutions for the changes that may arise from the tenants' or buyers' activity. So, I think that points to a lot of interest in Romania at the moment in all sectors.
Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of our clients looking at Romania or back to Romania or just expanding there.
Yep.
The whole region.
Yeah, and staying in Romania, and the Radisson Hotel Group plans to add brands in Romania. So this is a good sign for the hotel sector. And the Radisson Hotel Group, who we partner with in the SCE Awards,
yeah, Radisson Blue, SCE Awards.
They're planning to grow their portfolio of brands operating in the local market, and they hope to launch Radisson's Individuals, Radisson's Collection, Radisson's Red, and the Classical Radisson. At present, Radisson Hotel operates in Bucharest through the Radisson Blue, which we know very well, and the Park Inn by Radisson. The group will open new hotels in Brasov, Cluj, and Timisoara by the end of 2023.
Wow, sounds like the hotel business isn't hurting at all there. Yeah?
That's what it sounds like.
Yeah, exactly.
And finally, for today, and some big news that's just come in today, and Savita Square. This is Horizon Development's new office mixed-use development in the centre of Budapest. Has just recently been acquired by Union Investment.
Oh, okay.
So it's a big transaction for them. And also one of the plus points here as well is that it received LEED Platinum rating, which is one of the only buildings in the region to achieve this LEED V4, which is building design and construction accreditation. So it's one of the highest levels, and I guess it's proven to be a worthy asset because
you always hear a lot about you always hear a lot about LEED Gold and LEED maybe even Silver, but very rarely LEED Platinum pops up.
I mean they've got two choices, I guess. There's some of them take the BREEAM and the others go LEED.
Right. So they got the highest LEED.
yeah, platinum seems to be pretty top.
Makes
level.
it easier to sell, I would imagine.
Yeah, and which is proved.
They did. Well done. All right. So great to hear. So we covered Poland, covered Romania, covered
Hungary.
Yeah, good. And we got this nice fire. I feel a little warmer from this now.
Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, my
it's
back.
almost getting hot in here. Yeah, a little on your back.
Yes. Take a
Anyway,
shirt off.
thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show on this holiday week. We've got over 8,000 viewers weekly for the news, and well over 13,000 for our interview. We just did this interview with Johannes Bauer. 14,000, like 10 yesterday, as of today. So big numbers watching the interviews. So if you'd like to be part of the Coffee with Craig show and be one of our partners one of our weeks next year, let us know. We'll be happy to schedule it in. We got lots of weeks still available, but they're going quick. So having said that, enjoy the rest of the day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we will see you Thursday morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.